Alright, what up YouTube? So I know it's been a while since I've uploaded an actual video, but we're back because we got something to install on the M3 today. I've been waiting on this for a while. Before that, let's give you guys an update real quick on what's been going on. So over here is my new winter daily beater, whatever you want to call it. It's an 08 Civic Si. I've always wanted one, so I finally got myself one. But yeah, 2008, 174,000 miles or something like that. And yeah, she runs and drives fine. It needs some brakes, so maybe I'll do a video on that. But check this out, SI engraved on the rotors. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've never seen that before. Kind of crazy. But yeah, it's got small imperfections like the paint and whatnot. A little bit of rust right there. We've got another rust spot back here, and then like paint fade on the spoiler and stuff. But nothing too crazy, you know. I picked it up for 3,500 bucks. And if you follow me on my other socials, you'd know that before this I had a Infiniti JX35 that I got off a Copart auction. It ended up being bad, had a bad CVT transmission, so I didn't want to deal with it, and I sold it for like $200 profit, nothing too crazy. And then I picked this up 2 days later or something like that. So yeah, this is the new winter daily. Plans for this thing: fix up the bodywork, wrap it, and then maybe after winter boost it. I don't know, we'll see. If we can make enough content money off of this car and whatnot, then I'll probably boost it, because I've always wanted to boost the Honda. So this seems like the perfect opportunity. Back to the main subject on today's video. We got a package from the homies down at Arm Motorsports. Been waiting on this for a while. It's been out of stock. It's finally in stock in here at my house, and it's for the M3. So yeah, what's in this box is going to make the M3 sound a little bit louder, hopefully better, because right now we just have stock mufflers, basically the whole stock exhaust, but there is catless downpipes in there, and they're from Arm Motorsports as well. So what we got in this box is the single mid-pipe. I'm going to cut off all this tape, pop it out, and show you guys what's up. Here's everything unboxed. I went with the single mid-pipe, resonated as well, from the homies Arm Motorsports. So yeah, this stuff looks really good quality. All the welds look super clean. This is everything we need. Basically, just unbolt the factory mid-pipe, unbolt the factory exhaust from the downpipes at the front, unbolt this brace, and then we're going to replace it with this one because this is a little too big, so that helps. That's why it's notched like that. Put the little clamps on the back, and then for the rear part we just cut off our factory exhaust, and then this just slips over it, throw a clamp on it, and that should be all sealed up. So yeah, let's get the car all jacked up, get that factory stuff out of there, and get ready to install this. Before I forget, I'll do like a little cold start, idle, revving, all that stuff real quick. Car is all jacked up now. So basically, back here, cut the exhaust pipe somewhere around there. Then go under here real quick, unbolt the brace right there. Looks to be some Allen heads. Yeah, some Allen heads to get those out. This little clamp thing right there holding that together, exhaust hanger right there, and then 4 bolts up there for focus, right up there. So yeah, unbolt all that stuff and get this all out of there, and then chop off the back. Oh, it looks like 2 more hangers, one there and one there. So yeah, hopefully this goes smooth. So far we got the plate out, we got all the bolts undone from the downpipes. The camera will focus. There we go. All the bolts undone from the downpipes. The front bolts, 13s. The Allens that hold this on, 6 mil. So that's pretty much all you need. 13 mils extension, 6 mil Allen, and then just gotta lop off the exhaust back there. Alright, so there's no instructions on their website yet on how to do these, but basically I took this pipe, lined it up to this hanger, right, and then this pipe right here ends up being like around here, right, ends up being around here. So basically you're gonna mark like right around here, enough for this to slip on to the stock pipes, and then cut it off right there. Boom. And then that should be perfect. Throw the clamps on there, we should be good to go. Alright, so we got the stock one out now. There's everything, 2 resonators there, a muffler right here. This is basically just straight, besides that little tiny resonator right there, which should eliminate the rasp. And yeah, we're hoping to get more spool noise out of this, and a bunch of weight savings, because that is heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna start throwing this in. Maybe I'll do an open down clip real quick. Dark out now, finally finished. About to start her up. Alright, so there we have it, the Arm Motorsports Single Midpipe that's resonated. Yeah, it took about an hour, 30 minutes. Wasn't too bad of a job at all. At first, I was like worried about how everything was lining up when I got everything mocked up and like loosely put together. But once I tightened everything down, it all fell into place perfectly fine. So don't be worried if you're doing this to your F80 and it doesn't look like things are going to line up. Just start bolting stuff down, work your way from the front to the back, and then everything will start lining up. So yeah, the M3 finally has some noise to it. Sounds way better, not raspy, and yeah, well, only thing left is to go on like drives and stuff. Maybe I'll get a couple flyby clips tomorrow or something, but yeah, for now, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace. Alright, so it's been like a week or so since I filmed a video of the Midpipe, and posted it on the other social medias like Instagram, TikTok, and ARM really liked that, how fast I got the video out. They sent me their muffler delete, single exit, and we're gonna throw it on. Alright, so here's everything unboxed. It goes from the midsection all the way out to the back, and then you have the option for dual tips at the back or one big single, and I'm gonna go for the one big single because I think it'll look a little bit more rowdy. Alright, I don't remember where we left off. I'm filming for the short form and YouTube, so yeah, stock exhaust all out. That thing weighs a lot, so taking that out eliminates a bunch of weight. There is the regular mid pipe, and then there's the full straight pipe. I opted for the single exit tip. They also gave me the dual tips. Personally, I think the single looks more rowdy, looks way better in my opinion. Let me show you guys how everything mounts. So you have this hanger coming off here, goes to the stock exhaust hanger location, just bolted on. Another hanger back there, and that's pretty much it. Super easy, super simple, super light. So yeah, we're about to do the first start. so hopefully y'all can hear well. That's in efficiency mode, no burbles. If I put it to sport mode, it's gonna pop and crackle like crazy. But it sounds pretty good. It is very loud, I'm not gonna lie. But it's not raspy. It is a bit droney though. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna rock it for a couple of days, see how I like it. We'll decide if we go back to the stock mufflers or not. But I do want to get some flyby clips. I just gotta find somewhere to do it. Alright, so there we go. The M3 is now straight piped. Once again, huge shout out to the homies down at Arm Motorsports. Use code ILLIS10 to save some money on your order. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.